This is lesson 163, Number Skills Test. Okay, I hope you were with me on the practice. Okay, this you're going to have to be with me. Now, we've done this quite a few times, but I'm going to explain it again, how to do a story problem. It says, listen as your teacher reads the story problem. Make sure you have your name on your paper. And we're going to leave this blank alone because we're not going to put anything in that blank until after we're done with box plus box equals box. Okay, so let me get my smaller pencil. So, as I'm reading this, you're going to put the numbers in here. Now, I'm not going to put the numbers in here because this is a test and I can't give you the answers. But I can have you follow. So we're going to put a number in this box first, second number in this one, and then you're going to add it together and put that up there. Okay. I'm going to read the story 2 times, and I'll pause at the numbers. Megan saw 2 bunnies and 2 squirrels in the meadow. How many bunnies and squirrels did she see altogether? Okay, remember, put the first number here, second number there. I'm going to read it again. Megan saw 2 bunnies and 2 squirrels in the meadow. How many bunnies and squirrels did she see altogether? Did you get both of those numbers? Okay, now you're going to add those 2 numbers together and find out how many she saw altogether. And write it here. And when you get that, I want you to take that number that you have in that box and put it in that box. Okay? So that was, I think this is the first time we've tested on a story problem. So let's go do the next part. I'm going to go ahead and clear that. There's my clearing thing. So we have a 51. Now be careful with this because the 5 is first because we always read from this way to that way. So the 5 is first. 51. You need to do the before number and the after number. This is 27. Do the before number and the after number. This one's 10. You write what comes before 10 and after 10. You can come back to that if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and explain the rest of this. So you'll come back and do all that. This says add. You have 2 plus 3 and you put the answer. And you've done these a lot of times throughout our kindergarten class time. So I think you can do that one just fine. Just be very careful with it to make sure that you put the right answer in there. Don't get them mixed up and put in the wrong box. Okay, let's go down here. It says write how many cents. We just practiced counting. Now this is a quarter. It's a quarter of a dollar. So you count, or you tell me how much, you write in here how much that's worth. Okay, here we are. Number 5, what time is it? Now you can see the shorthand is just past one of these, or past this number, but not to this number. So you put that number in the first, and then you put, you have to count down to this one and put it in there. So I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go to the next page, and this is just a really fun thing to do. It's a pattern. Butterfly, butterfly, bee. Butterfly, butterfly. What would come after that? And if you look at this, you've got 2 butterflies and a bee. 2 butterflies and a so you'd circle the B. Okay, so I'm not sure. So you got a walking skunk and one laying down. So walking, laying, walking, laying, walking. What will come next? You circle that one. Basket, ant, ant. Basket, ant. What will come next? Now you have the stick is in the mouth or in the ground. Mouth, mouth, ground, ground, mouth. And you'd have to pick one of these birds. Okay. Hop, sit, sit, hop, sit. So you pick one of the bunnies. So that's all we have. This is just a fun one. It's not part of the test. It's just a fun thing to do. Be very careful with your test. So if you need to replay this video and listen to this part again, that's okay. Just be very careful with your answers. Okay. And good luck on that. I know you'll do good. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.